Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin with two essential prerequisites. Be signed in as an administrator and have power available. Once ready, open Control Panel and go to Power Options, then choose what the power buttons do. Next, click Change Settings Currently Unavailable to reveal grade options. This step exposes sleep and fast startup options. Make sure sleep is checked where applicable, then save changes. Doing this first forces Windows to expose the OS-level sleep setting, so subsequent fixes operate on visible options. Once done with basic visibility, you move into system-level checks. Open an elevated command prompt and run PowerCook to see which sleep states are supported. Note any missing S1/S3 hints. Then update critical drivers, display, chipset, and network, because outdated drivers often block sleep. Make sure fast startup remains off. Go to Advanced Power Settings and expand Sleep to confirm allow hybrid sleep and sleep after values are configured. These actions remove driver and policy roadblocks, allowing Windows to actually enter sleep. You finish by restarting the PC so all changes take effect, and then check the Start menu power options for sleep. If sleep still doesn't show, run System File Checker and DISM to repair corrupted system files, and double-check BIOS or UEFI power settings to ensure ECP and sleep states are enabled. As a final troubleshooting tip, reset your active power plan to defaults. This often restores hidden options. If none of that works, note error output from PowerCook and seek targeted fixes based on those messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.